Why should you choose Renergy Power PVC batteries? British brand. They are manufactured to meet British standards. They are the best sellers in the market, offering premium quality. Robust gel technology. Their gel-like electrolyte addresses common issues associated with wet lead-acid batteries such as spillage and the need for regular maintenance. Deep cycle technology. They are capable of discharging electricity at a slower rate, guaranteeing a stable and uninterrupted power supply over a long period. Maintenance-free. They are filled with gel and are perfectly sealed, eliminating the need for frequent maintenance. Renergy Power PVC batteries have over 2,000 life cycles. This provides a long service life compared to the majority of batteries in the market. They have a weight of 72 kilograms. This indicates a significant lead content, which guarantees lasting and reliable performance. They have a 2-year warranty guarantee. This sets Renergy apart in the market and demonstrates our commitment to standing behind the quality and durability of our products. They too have a high specific power output. They can deliver a significant amount of power, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Renergy Power PVC batteries are best for solar power and backup applications. Contact us by sending an email at solar@megapowerglobal.com or call us on +254 718 7222222.